Hey, Garrett here.
Hi, Janet.
I'm Janet. We're getting off the ship today in Cozumel, Mexico. And it was raining, as you can see. And right now it's not, but look around. Hey, that's the Corner of Glory. We are on the Regal Princess. And we're gonna just walk around. Now you should know that the Princess and Carnival dock down here. And we're south of the main part of town, San Miguel de Cozumel. And once we get around the bend here, you'll see a couple Royal Caribbean ships. They dock down here too. There is a cruise ship pier right in town. I think NCL uses it and probably several other lines. See, there's a Royal Caribbean now. Anyway, this is the last day of our cruise. The last port of our cruise. Tomorrow is the last day. And then we get off in 2 days, right? In Galveston, Texas.
And tomorrow's a sea day.
Tomorrow's a sea day. So we've got the Harmony of the Seas and the Liberty of the Seas. And the Harmony is a big ship. One of the biggest. Well, I guess not anymore, because now they have the Icon and the Wonder. But look at how big that thing is. We're heading out of the gates into town. Although remember, it's not the main town, but it's the main road to town. And I guess they lock this place up when there's no ships here. So there may be better deals on stuff out here. I see lots of people selling tours out here. I think this is where the Royal Caribbean ships come out. So if you're on Royal Caribbean, I think you're going to come right down this dock. See them there? I think you can rent a scooter here. Or a little Suzuki Jeep. More scooters. And we're coming up to Margaritaville, Cozumel. Well, if I had to guess, I'd say this shopping center is a little bit older than the one we're at. You know, it's, I don't want to call it run down, but it's more aged. And somewhere right here is Margaritaville. I think right through there. But there's also Mayan Fiesta and Cozumel Land and Supermart. Let's go through here. Well, we came in from the other side of this pink building. And there it is, Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville. God rest his soul. I'm gonna miss that guy. And that would be access to the ships, I suppose, and they're probably not going to let us go out there. Here's where their excursions meet. There's a big giant skeleton, Dia de los Muertos, and Margaritaville, Cozumel. Restaurant and bar. What has that guy got there?
Good morning, welcome to my jungle. Nice to meet you. My name is
Jello
Israel.
shot.
Sorry for the interruption. I only take 1 Mexican minute of your time. I know, 1 Mexican minute is a lot of time, but I'm so quickly. I'm so fast. This one is the reason that the Mexicans all the time got it energy, and the mariachi sing contains grenadine, watermelon real inside and outside, and a little portion of tequila. It's not for be drunk. Believe me.
Little?
No, if you imagine a shot glass, this portion.
Okay.
It's
Cool.
not so much. Believe me, I'm Mexican. I'm drunk so much tequila, and this one is very, very sweet. The intention is be fresh and tasty for you.
Somebody drank it all. 5 o'clock somewhere. So you could probably book a tour right here. Book your excursion here. Doesn't say right here, but I'm sure that's what they meant to say. Liquor. Another person selling watermelon shots. I'm guessing hers are different colors though.
Hola, watermelon yellow shot.
Came from around there. That was where you get back on the Royal Caribbean ships. There's these handy signs everywhere in case we need to evacuate. And here's a Ron-Dron surf shop somewhere around here. But that's Senior Frogs, and I guess this is a line of people waiting to get their picture taken with the giant Cozumel letters. You see that? So at least it's orderly, and I guess if you hand the next person in line your phone and then it continues on like that, I mean, I don't know. Hey, Yellow Submarine. I saw waves crashing up here. Like that. Pretty nice water. I see an Atlantis submarine out there. So I'm not going to go down there. Apparently there's more shops upstairs, and this is the International Cruise Terminal. And we may have to turn around and go back out the way we came. Just don't know. There's the Ron John Surf Shop and Senior Frogs right next to it. See that sign? And we will have to go. Oh, wait. Here's an opening. Maybe we can go out this way. Oh, well, there's the door there. Maybe we can get out that way. It's not the way we entered. Of course, there's a lot more places to shop in here. Lots of jewelry. Smells like leather. So there's leather around. I'm thinking we can go right down this ramp. And here's the sea rate sign. Right? And we can go behind these people maybe. Excuse us. And out those gates. We came in over there where the ambulance lights are flashing. That's something you don't want to see. So just so you know, we're at the Puerto Maya Pier, our ship, and then this is the International Cruise Terminal, and here's downtown. So I mean, it doesn't look very far on the map there, but it's a few miles. Very few, less than 5. So if you want to walk, go for it. But there's the Grand Outlet across the street. We are out on the main road. We're headed towards downtown. I don't think we're going to get there though. We just want to see what's around the port. $1. And we can get conchs, pipes, bugs, rentals, pharmacy, market, Caribbean beach pass at our resort. So day pass for the beach hotel. I think this is the El Cid. So we walked over. The shopping center was, well, shopping centers are all through there. And this is the beach. And I imagine they charge you to stay here. Oh, you have more big Cozumel letters. And this looks like a nice-ish beach. You see people snorkeling right there, but I don't see anybody going out really. And it's pretty rough out there for snorkeling. Not so rough for laying on the beach under a palapa, right? Well, I think we've been walking maybe a mile. We're getting out of all the noise and excitement. Tequila. Ninja. Hi. Now it's like a Malecon, although the ocean is through there. You know, I call it a Malecon. I don't know if they do. No beach down there though. Rocks. So we're about a third of the way into San Miguel, you know, downtown Cozumel, you might say. And we're not going to walk down there. just shops. We were there 20 years ago. So we're back into the into the thick of it, into the heart of it. And this is the international cruise terminal where Margaritaville was, Senior Frogs was. We're back to the entrance, you know, back to the ship, you might say. There's our ship right there. And so from Cozumel,
I'm Janet.
I'm Garrett.
And we're senior